Having opened up the app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Format Converter. So I'm going to click on Format Converter. Then here we go. We have our audio file right here. You can select as many as possible different kind of audio file format. Let's say, for instance, I want to convert from AAC. Select the file, go ahead and click on Next. Then here, you can convert from AAC. Then it's going to take you right here. Here, you can convert from AAC to either MP3 or WAV or AAC or FLAC or OGG or M4A or Opus or 3GP or AMR or OGA. So select any file format of the output right here, whether WAV or AAC, then click on Convert and you go to get the file format in this particular category you selected right here. Let's go back to Format Convert right here. Format Convert again. So just like so, let's say we want to convert from MP3. What we want to do is to select, you can see this is MP3 file. We click on here to select. So having selected the file, click on Next. Now we are here, which simply means that we can convert from MP3 to WAV or MP3 to MP3, AAC, FLAC, OGG, M4A, Opus, 3GP, AMR, and OGA. It's that simple. You can select as many as possible different type of audio file and easily convert it to whatever output we are looking for. It's that simple. How do you get this particular app? Open up your Play Store, then go ahead and click on Search. Click on Search App and Game and type in Audio Editor. Hit on Search, then go ahead and click on the first result right here. So here we go. Audio. So here we go. Audio Editor and Music and Editor. So go ahead and download and install it on your Android phone and you are good to go. With that, you should be able to do different conversion of your audio file from one file to another file without losing the quality of the audio. For more tutorial on how best to use this particular app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.